Hello.
Halo, apa kabar?
Okay, good evening. Okay,
Good
so
evening, everyone.
yeah, not good night. Now we have
Uh,
around nine viewers. Oh look, 11. Yes, go up.
uh,
Uh, yeah,
it's quite late here in Malaysia lah.
yeah. I think
No,
this is the first time.
yeah, I
First time
think this is
we.
the first time that we did the hot from oven at 11 o'clock night,
Mhm.
11 o'clock p.m. lah. Yeah,
Yeah. The reason is we need to synchronize with the UK Raspberry Pi from UK lah.
yeah,
They
yeah.
around 4 at the UK.
4 p.m. over there, 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Right?
Yeah, late afternoon lah, late afternoon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the new product from Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Pi Pico 2. Yeah. So for those that experience in Pico, then this is yours. This is for you. Okay, Pico 2. So we do not to spend a lot of time tonight. We also want to go sleep. Okay. This is the
So we have
info
quite a
for.
lot of we have quite a lot of product to cover tonight.
Oh yeah. Actually a lot lah. So hopefully you can stay and then join us, teman us also lah.
Yes, yes.
So this is the second generation of Raspberry Pi Pico board based on the latest Raspberry Pi RP 2350 chip. So I believe some of you already know that Raspberry Pi start focusing on the silicon. They develop their own silicon. If not mistaken, the RP2350 is the third silicon, right? Over. The first one is 2040, RP2040, the first silicon, and then the second is RP1 in the
Uh,
Raspberry Pi 5.
yes. Actually, it's the fourth. Because Raspberry Pi is half lah. Because Raspberry Pi 02W, the IC is being stacked.
Oh, okay.
With the RAM. Actually, is from them also, but it's half lah.
Oh,
So
half, yeah.
they are doing
Mm.
some layer of
Mm.
design also lah on there. Yeah.
Yeah, but for the like 100% from the Raspberry Pi,
100% this is the
this
third
is
one.
the
Yes,
third
correct.
third times.
Yeah. Yeah.
RP2350. So the enhancement features is the either dual ARM Cortex M33 or dual RISC-V Hazard 3. This one quite interesting actually. And
Because it's open source, so they are starting to use RISC-V.
and they said that it can be swappable. This one I'm not really sure what kind of swappable.
Yeah, we are not really sure, but we are pretty sure that they have that there are two dual core. So one
Two.
is two dual core. One is the ARM, another one is the RISC-V.
Yeah.
According to their because it depends on the programming language also. How can you access to both of these? But what we know is you can either use the ARM or you can either use the RISC-V. Yep.
Okay. Yeah, interesting. And then the system clock up to 150 megahertz.
Yep.
SRAM. Oh, this one is quite a big jump also. I think it's like
double.
times. Yeah, double. 520 kilobyte. Okay, SRAM. And then the built-in flash memory. This one got one chip for flash memory, 4 megabyte. Also double compared to the Pico. Later we show you the table, the comparison table. And then this one also a new thing, comprehensive security, ARM Trust Zone, 8 KB on chip, OTP storage, and secure boot. And also the flash memory interface also upgrade to the version 2 XIP version 2.
Yep.
And then also improve power efficiency. This one also improve a lot. Okay, previously around 100 microamp.
Yep.
Now less than micro amp. Yeah, in deep sleep.
Yep.
Then this one also improvement, 12 PIO state machines, 3 blocks. Okay,
Yeah,
previously,
last time is actually 8 PIO, 2 blocks.
8 PIO blocks. So let's see the comparison table here. So the yellow one is a Raspberry Pi Pico 2.
Yep.
And then this one is a Pico. So you can see the comparison. The package also different. Now it's a 60 QFN. Previously it's
Yep.
56 QFN.
Yep.
Yeah, dual ARM Cortex M33 RISC-V Hazard 3 compared to the ARM Cortex M0 Plus. So if you compare the Cortex M0 Plus to the M33, also a lot of improvement.
Yeah, that is very significant improvement.
Yeah. And then clock, CPU clock, 123 maximum on the Pico to the 150 to the Pico 2. RAM size, around double. And then flash size also double, including the interface. Interface also upgrade to the version 2. Then security, new thing in the Pico 2. Okay. Programmable I/O, 3 blocks, 12 PIO state machines compared to the 2 blocks, 8 PIO state machines. So PIO is a very interesting PIO. For example, one of the application, our community, they built the USB host interface using the PIO. So you can directly interface any HID device directly to the Pico. Okay, very interesting. And this one, the sleep mode, the current, deep sleep, less than 10 microamp compared to the 100 microamp. Okay, this one, the similarity. Support MicroPython, CircuitPython, C, C++. For now, I think they provide the C, C++ SDK, and MicroPython should have over from Raspberry Pi, right?
MicroPython, yes, should have.
Yeah, later we will check.
Yeah, let's check.
CircuitPython also should have. Later we will try to check. Board power input, same 5 volt DC via USB micro B, and then alternative power board power 2 to 5 volt DC via VC pin 39, MCU voltage 3.3, GPIO voltage 3.3, USB interface, device and host 1.1. Program loading, USB micro B, USB mesh storage. Yes, it will detect as what you call UF2 mode, something like that.
Yes.
GPIO ADC UART SQC SPIP WM, I think same. Okay, same for both Pico and Pico 2. Also the onboard LED also same, got one located at the GP25. Okay, so this is the layout. USB micro B here. I think the footprint also same. The location of the LED, the boot cell button, the GPIO, okay, boot selection button, the flash spacing also standard 0.1 inch, so breadboard friendly, and then previous also got a temperature sensor, right, for Pico 2.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so this one also same got a temperature sensor.
That is built into the silicon And to highlight it, this is actually pin-to-pin compatible with Pico version 1, generation 1. So you can actually plug into those carrier board on Pico 1. Yeah.
Okay. So next, this one, if you put the side by side, Pico 2 and Pico, very all the same.
Same, I think same.
Logo new, got a Pico 2.
Yeah.
New design.
Actually, the silicon size is the same, although it's 60 pin. Just now it's 60 pin and 56 pin, but the size is the same. So they just add one pin at one side. So 4 pin, 4 extra pin.
Okay. All right. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay. In the comment.
Yep.
Okay. So let's check news and product page. So got news from Raspberry Pi over.
Yeah. I just post to the private chat. You
Okay,
can check over there.
Oh, okay.
It's from Eben. Yeah, from Eben.
So yeah, Raspberry Pi Pico 2, $5 microcontroller board on sale now. Yeah, I think everything is same lah. What we present.
Yep.
Yeah, you can visit the website also. Yeah, the same new chip. This one. Oh, this one also they also launched the chip lah. So the chip.
They announced the chip. Oh, what's the price over there? The chip price, Idris?
This one.
Oh, yeah, okay. This is what, 80 cent without the...
80. Oh, wait, I tried to.
Okay, enlarge it. Thank you. So, actually, 2350A differentiate the pin. QFN 60 and QFN 80 for B. And the 5450 is without flash. Then 54 is with 2 megabyte of flash embed on the chip itself.
Oh.
Yep.
For Pico 2, they use the RP2350A. This one, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And external flash. Yep.
Yeah, compared to the RP2040, only have one types. Now they offer a few types. Okay.
And it will be available end of, I think.
Where?
Will generally available in volume before end of this year. Okay. Oh, you can register also. Okay.
All right. Software and documentation. Okay, now they provide link. Okay, Pico SDK, MicroPython, CircuitPython. This one is very interesting for you to try. Got a new
trusted firmware.
Okay. For trusted
this
one.
Interesting.
This one, not sure. Need to explore long-term support.
Yeah, I think this is more to security.
Oh, okay.
Security. Yeah.
Oh, Google announcement page.
Cool.
This game makes it easier.
There is a Google
announcement page. Yeah, later you can check here.
Nice.
Okay. So Google's demo built on the new.
What PicVic is what? PicVic SDK.
PicVic SDK.
Okay.
Maybe some not sure language.
I think so. Maybe we are not familiar with that yet.
Yeah. Okay. What else? What is? A lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think a lot. You can read through lah. Yeah.
Yep.
Install.
Same as you guys. This is our first time looking at this article.
Yeah. So okay. Wow. Click here. Partners.
Yes, talking about partner, we are one of the launching partner.
Yeah. Later we share another new product.
Another few.
I think they will announce here. Added fruit. Yeah, added fruit.
This is the feather, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, Metro.
Feather lah. Apa benda nama ni? Amethyst feather.
Amethyst. Oh, okay. This feather.
This one from Bus Pirate. This one not sure. Bus Pirate.
Oh, very
RP,
nice.
Yeah. And then, Cytron.
Cytron.
We are here.
They announced before we announced.
Yeah, they announced before we announced. You need to sign NDA with them. Okay. And then we are.
It's not one, but two.
That's okay lah. That's okay. Yeah. That's good. Hellbender. Whoa, what is this?
Wow, this is very long.
Okay.
This combined with what?
Got a few products here.
Inventor Lab also got two. So they combine with ESP.
Wi-Fi.
Okay. Wi-Fi. Yeah.
Melo Pero. A lot. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, Pimoroni.
Harmony,
Oh,
yep.
okay. Very famous with the tiny tiny platform. Plasma. This one
Plasma
is
and what?
breakout.
PGA, yeah. The breakout. The
Okay.
breakout.
Seed Studio.
The
Oh,
studio.
got the
Xiao, the new Xiao.
Xiao. Solder Party.
So the
Spark
party.
Fun. Oh, nice. Wow, what
Pro
is this?
Micro. Pro Micro.
Pro
That is
Micro.
the Flash, I think. Flash.
Oh yeah, quite big. Sweet Science.
It's
This one is
nice.
from Japan. Sweet Science
Yeah.
from Japan.
Our friend also. Yeah.
Yeah. Tiny Kids. BizNet. Oh,
That is
one more.
the Ethernet. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, a
I
lot.
think this is one of the longest longest news from Raspberry Pi. Okay, so stop here. You need to share our product. Hey, need to check the Pico
Lim,
to.
Idris, yeah. Lim
Huh?
Si Hong is here.
Hello. Hey,
Well, you haven't, it's very late.
Pico is an open source collection of embedded targeted libraries, or as we like to call them. Oh, okay.
Modules.
Quite interesting. Oh, we don't know. We need to
We
study.
don't know yet. Yeah, need to,
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right.
Need to play with it.
Yeah. But if we want to play, we need to have stock. Oh. Hey, the launch over Pico 2.
Yes.
Now, let me check.
Microcontroller. So I think you search Pico 2 like easier.
I search Pico 2 but cannot find.
Yeah, Pico.
Maybe you can share link here.
You connect.
Share
together?
the link in the private.
Yeah, let me get it. Okay. Yep, over here. Private chat. Yep. But unfortunately, like you say, we need to have stock, right? But we don't have stock yet.
Okay, so
But
this
we
is
have
a
other stock. We have another one.
after this.
Yes.
So at least you can see the price. Oh, okay. Because we don't have a stock, so the photo for headers, not the Pico 2 lah. So for the without the SMD friendly, without the header pin is a 2750. Then for soldered one is a 33. Okay. So this one is Pico 2. For now we don't have any date for the stock. So later we will announce in our social media. Alright, so yeah, we continue for the next product. Again, this one, besides the Pico 2, Raspberry Pi also launched their chip RP2350, as mentioned in their news in the blog. So again, also we wait for the stock. If not mistaken, they mentioned on the end of this year. Okay. But we have how to say over. We have the chip for product development, right? But not for sale.
Not for sale, sorry.
Yeah, this one because we are the design partner lah. So we got the advantage to design our own product based on the RP2350. And we call it, the first one is a Motion 23. Oh, I think I'm not mistaken here. Motion 2350 Pro. So because the title here is Motion RP. Okay. So yeah, we are using the RP2350 here. Purple. This one is top side. Okay. Got the motor drivers, servo port, GPIO, maker port, USB. You put the USB host here. And what else? USB-C also can be powered through the battery 3.6. Later we check the spec. Okay.
Yep.
Now you see the image first. Okay. So this is the specification for the Motion 2350 Pro. Again, powered by Raspberry Pi Neo IC 2350, and then wide motor voltage range 3.6 volt to 16 volts, so you can connect to the standard 12 volt motor, and then includes 8 channels 5 volt servo port and a 4 channel DC motor driver. Okay, if you notice, actually the design follow the our motion bit product, motion bit Pro. So we got a 4 channel DC motor driver. Okay, and then direct USB host connector for USB joystick. Actually this one support for any HID device like a mouse, keyboard, but we are design it for the purpose for USB joystick so you can control your robot using the joystick, wireless joystick. And then 3 maker ports here, the small one here. Okay, and then on board is a button, piezo buzzer, and your pixel, LEDs at all GPIO pins and motor outputs, and colored header pins. Okay, colored header pins, you got a blue, red, black, and purple board. All right. This is the pin out for the board Motion R2350 Pro. Okay, so you can check here later. All the connection, the GPIO, everything is powered, directly connected to the RP, the microcontroller. Okay, so let's go to the product page where the Motion. We go to the new product. Okay, this one. Wait. Pause first. Okay, so this one we have stock. We have already stock. Now the price is 124.90. Now got 20% discount. So you can get less than 100, okay, for the Motion 2350 Pro. So for more details, you can check the description here. Okay, for example, you can build a bigger robot using the 12 volt motor. Okay, and then for each channel, support up to 3 ampere. Okay, for the current. Okay, remote control with joystick. So this one, the hardware is support, but for now the library we still searching for the supported library for the USB host. Later we announce when we have stable library for this. Okay. What else? Yeah, maker features.
You want to show the hardware over there? The Motion hardware?
I only can show this like this. Is it okay? Or you have a camera?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, let me check here. For example, here. Okay, this is the board. Okay, cannot focus.
Yeah, I cannot focus.
If you have set up, then you can share there over. No,
I have set up, but I'm working on.
Okay, tak apa. That's okay. But yeah, you can. This is the hardware, So same with the images that we share, all the photos, front and back. And then what else? Okay, this is a video we test the piezo buzzer and also all the buttons, LED. Okay. All right. Yeah, you can go check our website. How about the stock, Ober? Is it now we only have 57.
Yeah, tomorrow
So
we'll have more stock coming in.
maybe tomorrow we'll stock more.
Yeah. And for the time being, I think this is a good RP2350, or the 2350 is very similar to 2040. Very difficult to differentiate them. So it's a good stock to grab it now, lah. Because we don't have Pico 2.
Yeah. And then I think this one already simplify everything, the connection to the motor
Yep.
driver, to the header pins,
To the servo.
servo ports, and then you can power using a battery, 12-volt battery, and then got a piezo buzzer button. So you can try all the interface using a new chip. Okay. All right. We continue to the next product. Yes, we have another iRif product, iRif IO controller. So this one for industry. Okay.
Yeah.
This one is for industry.
Good.
Don't confuse with the iRif Pi controller. So the design is quite similar to the iRif Pi control, but this one is iRif IO controller, and again is powered by RP2350. Sorry. Okay, what we have here, Ethernet port. Okay, we got a W5, Vsnet W5500. This one is quite standard for Ethernet interface.
Yeah.
And then USB-C for programming and configuration. 11 isolated digital input up to 50 volts. 4 isolated digital output up to 50 volt. Okay. And then 2 12-bit analog input, 0 to 10.4. Got a decimal here. 10.56 volt or 0 to 42.58 milliampere. Yeah, industrial standard. So need to very precise.
One is voltage, another one is ampere, the current.
And then Vin from 10 to 30 volt with surge protected. Real-time clock, status LED for power RS485, and then every D in and D out. So this one a new thing for the controller. Later we try to see the difference between the iRif IO controller and also iRif Pi controller. Programmable button, LED, and passive buzzer. And yeah, this one is a MCU. So it supports C, C++, MicroPython, and CircuitPython. So
any news on Arduino IDE? I think one of the popular programming language is Arduino IDE.
Yeah.
But just now we didn't see, right?
No.
Yeah.
Normally they will announce on the Facebook. I will notice on the Facebook.
Okay.
Okay, so we continue. Again, this one, the comparison. Operating system. So, of course, the I/O controller is a bare metal, while the iRif Pi controller is Raspberry Pi OS. And of course, you can flash with another OS for Pi control. And then software and programming language, C++, MicroPython, and CircuitPython, while the iRif Pi controller support Node-RED, Grafana, Python, etc. RAM
more.
size, more. RAM size, this one for I/O controller. This one we are not comparing like a versus lah. Just want you to know the differentiate between these two products, because you cannot really compare because one is a MCU, another one is a mini computer.
Yep.
Okay.
It's a computer.
Yeah. And then maybe you can check on the wired communication here. So for I/O controller got RS485 Ethernet. For iRif Pi control got extra RS232, and then 2 Ethernet port, and also USB host. Wireless communication not available in iRif IO controller. This one got extra for the iRif IO controller for the status LED power RS45 and every GB can be out. So very happy for the indicator lah, as an indicator. Dimension is quite same. Later we'll show you how it looks like when put side by side. And the price for the IO controller is 289 and RF controller is 1345. Again, this is like a MCU versus a computer lah.
Yep.
So yeah, you can mount the RF IO controller to the
DIN rail.
DIN rail. Okay, this one DIN rail, and then if you put side by side, it looks like this. Okay, you can see here, side by side. Okay, again, let's go to the product page.
Yeah. Let's go to the product page.
New arrival.
Yep, the first one, please.
Okay, this one we don't have already stock, but we the production start to assemble. Okay, and test. We estimate to have around 20 units available on 16 September 2024. So grab now, you can have
Discount.
21 discount, 21%. So
21%.
the original price is 289, and now you can get around 231.20 cents. Okay, so yeah, please visit our product page. Yeah, this is the board powered by RP2350. So if you are familiar with the Pico and the Circuit Python or anything else, maybe MicroPython or C++, now you can build a industrial standard, industrial quality using the RF controller.
It can also expand to become IO standard. Yeah, because it's programmable. So you just load the program for it to communicate with RS485 or even TCP, Modbus TCP. It can become another IO expansion. So let's say your IDFI control doesn't have enough of input or output. You want to add some more, but you don't want to get another IDFI control. You can get the IDF IOC, load the program for it, example program, expansion, IO expansion program, then use it as IO expansion. Of course, it can be standalone.
Yeah. So this is how it looks like for the status LED. You can see
later I'll show this over here.
Okay, nice. Okay, you share screen first over.
Yup, let me share first. Let me share screen over here.
Yeah, now.
Yeah. So this is the IO controller. We just load a sample program because it's a microcontroller. So let me just unplug the power. So here's the, like Idris said just now, this is all the indicator over here. Some buttons. Some button you need to use pin. For example, reset. You don't want people to always, accidentally press it. But there's a user button. User button you can actually press using a finger.
Okay. You need to program, right, for the user button.
Yeah. We have programming. So this is the interface, the socket that you will use for connect to the devices, and this is the Ethernet port. So let me just connect the power USB-C. So of course you can power USB-C or you can power using the 10 to 30 volt over here. Okay. So we just program the LED to rotate or to blink sequentially. Now the power will always on. User RS485 will only blink when there is activity at RS485 over here, RS485. So I can press the user button. There's a buzzer inside there. Yeah, it's very simple one.
Yeah. You should do some melody with the buzzer.
Yeah. I'll ask the design engineer to do it next time. So this one, You want to show or not now?
Ah,
Just now
yeah,
you show already.
no, just show it.
So this is the sample program. Let me see. So it's off now. It's off now. There's a slide power button over here. Slide switch. So it's off now. I can on it. Ah,
birthday siapa eh?
birthday siapa tu? So the simple one just to move some LEDs, then the motor driver LEDs also. Then we have another program just to rotate the LED round. Okay, another button, turn the LED around.
Yeah, this one we use for our production lah, to test for every
Yeah, but
component, every
actually
LED. Yeah.
it's actually pre-loaded with as a sample code. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, sample code.
Yep.
Sample code for Circuit Python?
Yeah, circuit pattern. We are
Oh.
loading this one. Yep. So let me see what else. What else to highlight? USB haven't USB host. We are working with Circuit Python team to come up with the USB host library. So with the USB host, you can. I think you highlight, right? You can use joystick. You know. Yes.
HID device lah. Any HID
Yes,
device
yes,
actually.
yes.
Yeah. So joystick is one of it.
Yep.
Maybe try to check. Okay.
So you want to share your screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just try to check on the Circuit Python if got any Pico 2.
Pico 2? Not yet.
Oh, I think still not appear here.
Yeah.
Need to click link from the Raspberry Pi News because they provide the link, right? Let me check.
Yeah, we can. Oh, very nice. Let me check this one. Is at the bottom or?
Raspberry Visual what? Newly update Raspberry Pico Visual Studio Code extension. Oh, what is this? That's okay. Circuit Python. Okay. Oh no lah, they just provide link to Circuit Python, but Circuit Python still not launch it. That's okay. And MicroPython. How about MicroPython?
Same.
Got Pico 2. Yeah.
But it is quite easy to change, from CircuitPython to MicroPython, right? You just refresh the UF2 bootloader file, right?
Even for the SDK, Pico SDK also they share the GitHub link. I'm not sure this one is for Pico or Pico 2. Later we confirm again.
Yep.
Because everything is from their blog.
So like everyone else, this is our first time looking at this blog.
Okay. So I think that's all from us. Okay. No.
We haven't covered.
What?
I think we covered everything now.
Yeah, covered everything.
Yeah. Any question from the floor? Umar, Lutif, Harun
Ya, ni orang kuat ni, sumo. Ni selalu join ni.
Ni ngam ni motion ni sebab ada USB.
Motion at least we can I plan to offer something like a soccer robot because got the 4 channel. You can put 4 motors and then you can control using the joystick. So okay, I think that's all from us. So thank you for joining. Over anything else before we end?
Nothing else. Good night, because it's very late.
Yeah. Good night. And
at least Malaysia is very late now.
Yeah. And grab the Motion 2350 Pro. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's all. Thank you.